Karen. Fucking hell. Just run him over.
You fucking donkey!
Online, channel 28 on your TV, and the Triple J app.
The fuck, mate?
Today's hottest 100 of the decade.
Remember, this one from 2010 is Kanye West with Power.
The fuck are you doing?
Oh, what about this?
Most manny and ride with the semi on my niggas with me, I'm calling toast. Calling the plug, you calling the cops, I call you a snitch, you holding a grudge, you calling a judge, you say you a thug, I call you a bitch, I call you a hoe, don't call me your name.
To consider if C-Bus is right for you, go to cbussuper.com.au for a PDS.
The Nova Studios are like a play.
How the fuck do you end up there? In the middle of the intersection. What an absolute fuckwit. What an absolute fuckwit. You're a fucking idiot, fuckhead.
막상 뭐 별거 있나?
손잡고 걸은 사람 하나 없는 내게 사랑 노래들이 너무해 듣고 싶어 한바탕 휩쓸고 지나가버린 사랑 걷고 말아줘 사랑 노래 가사를 불러봐 수많은 연인들 가운데
Hashtag Choco Pro, so she might be bringing in people from Choco Pro. We might get Lulu penciled in the tournament. That'd be sick. You gotta watch that Church of Joshi, man. It's rad. Sunday mornings, have your coffee, watch some Church of Joshi.
You got that right. And then we got our main event, MJF Jericho versus Sammy.
Great for work.
But just allow an hour just to try and get out that package. It's fire away, okay?
And just a couple of shows that I got into across the break.
Oh, thanks, cunt. I'm not even looking up. What the fuck are you doing? No fucking blinker either. That's another one for fucking Scott. Fuck me. Tools out. fucking looking down at something and then just fucking yeet turns the corner without a fucking indicator. Fucking Scott's car dash cam fucking special today. Oh, no fucking blinker again. There you go. Fuck me dead. Is she gonna use it here? Nah. Oh, nearly on the fucking horn then. What the fuck are you doing? Fuck me. What the? Still no blinker. There you go, Scott. Get that one up ya. What a fucking dumb bitch. Oh, what the fuck? Jesus fucking Christ.
You fucking bozo.
His unbridled optimism about where
It fits! Damn thing fits! I thought there were no more spaces.
Why is everyone so fucking stupid?
Roadside assistance
Oh, what the
is
fuck?
trusted for more
What a
residents.
dick.
With 5 levels of cover, we protect every kind
What
of
a
driver.
dick. Where the
whether
cops
take
you
short
need then?
trips
I seen him
or
come
round
across.
Australia.
It's abandoned.
Gotta keep that piece trucking. Just put that man down. Westbound down, 18-wheeler rolling. Are we gonna do what they say can't be done? We gotta.
Thinking in particular of the Regional Comprehensive Economic Partnership Agreement, but also the TPP that America withdrew from under Trump.
Go for it.
And has a really critical role.
Spoken sardine.
Active,
One for you,
engaged,
Scotty.
able to demonstrate. This is a beautiful looking intersection.
Yep, and it's a stop sign. You stupid fucking BMW driver.
You and me.
Fucking moron.
What the fuck? What the actual fuck, dude? Scotties. Hello, you're gonna be both Scotties. Oh, nice blinker. Yeah, no, it's a detour, but. Thank you. Well, car.
What a car.
Dude. Can't see the fire. Dude, that was a red light. What a wanker. You get onto Scotties, dude.
We are very simple people with very small penis. Mr. Horse penis is especially small. So small.
I thought I told you once before.
And you know what time it is. Our shitbag titty fuck of the week goes to the one and only.
Every night to get to sleep, and it has heaps of different really weird celebrity voices, like Matthew McConaughey. Well, weird celebrity voices, like Matthew McConaughey. Well, hello there. I'm Matthew McConaughey, and tonight I'll be reading a special.
You're a fuckhead, mate.
Wonder, a special.
You're a fucking idiot.
Wonder.
Phenomena. An awful lot of people are becoming a part of the phenomena. What about you? It's as easy as saying phenomena.
Yeah. Now they banned him off Twitter. He's been using other accounts. What the fuck are you doing?
Very negative about Donald Trump.
Why is he doing 40k's up a hill?
Approaching Norton Street and through Newtown, King Street busy both ways. Also Strathfield, Centenary Drive slowing northbound at Arthur Street. Leaving Sydney to the north, the M1 a good run out of Sydney all the way up to the Central Coast. And at Wyong, all lanes now open on the M1 southbound at Allison Road after a smash. I'm Will on Sash Barney taking on Simona Hallis in Adelaide as well. Now you and I have covered on
Park in the middle of the road. Look at that! Look at that banana's doing a Yui. Way, it's shy. Here he goes again. All he needs.
Rocket!
In the city. If you see something, 0487 99 1233 is the text line you can call. 1300 33 1233. Do let us know. Be our eyes and ears on the roads this morning. You might see it before livetraffic.com does.
Yes, that's right. So let us know if you see anything. But let us know if you want to be a part of Breakfast Brainiacs.
You bloody serious?
Lonely lyrics. Yes, we're about to play you some lyrics read to you by a computer. You can recognise those lyrics. If you can name the song, you better call 1300 33 1233. We want to put these lyrics back in to the song where they belong.
You found it on eBay. Simply download the eBay app and list what you'd like to sell. Sold it? Sweet. Alexander Road at Buckley Street, another in Box Hill on Station Street at Oxford Road. And take care if you're driving through Hawthorn and avoid Toorak Road between Auburn and Taronga Roads that has been cordoned off due to a police incident. And also look out for some gasworks underway in Langwarrin. Potts Road's been closed near Cranbourne Frankston Road. You might want to hop onto Bellato Road instead. And that's 3AW traffic. Buses are currently replacing trains on the Sunbury line until Sunday.
To those messages, changing their normal habits and embedding mask and face covering wearing as part of
What are you doing, you fuckwit?
Mattress
that lets you perfect the comfort at home rather than be stuck with one mattress from a store. And it just broke the record books, becoming the first mattress ever to win Choice's Best Mattress.
Fucking hell, lady. Dangerous place to stop.
Wow. UT 32870?